Look at that. It's like they used two left ears.
Hi.
Hi, Erin. What do we have today?
We have these little things.
So we got some inflatables that are Valentine's Day. We hadn't made a video in a while, huh? But we're gonna start making them again. Sorry, we got behind. Oh, look at your hair's full of static.
I know, because I was jumping.
All right, so here is the first inflatable. These are Valentine's Day inflatables.
Yep, they're very
Man,
cool.
we had a heck of a time finding a Valentine's Day inflatable, to tell you.
I'm guessing this is a bear.
Is it?
Oh, it's a cookie. Oh, wait, it's a fox? Is that a fox? I think it's a deer.
I know. Let's inflate him to see what he looks like. There it goes.
Oh, wait, no.
Wait, let's see what it looks like when it blows up.
Hold on, let me take this off.
You could see the bear's face blowing up.
How am I going to get this off? Oh, man.
Check it out.
Oh, it's like twisted. No, it's twisted.
He's twisted all over. Oh, how cute. So he's like a little angel bear. You can see here in the back, he looks like a little angel. And then he's...
Yeah, but it looks tiny.
Pick it up. He's sitting on a heart and it has an arrow through it.
Why does it look so big?
He's so big, right?
Yeah, I can't even like jump on him. Yo.
Yeah.
He's large.
So cute. So I'll show you what this guy looks like
Oh,
on the floor.
look at that.
All right, so we're gonna open the other kitty cat one and then we'll show you what they look like not on the trampoline.
Yep.
This guy unraveled and out of the box, and here's his box and his bag he was in.
Pretty small.
And we got both of these inflatables.
Clean on this guy so that he doesn't fall.
Yeah. We got these
Okay, that's
inflatables
fine.
off Amazon.
Oh, it's already plugged. That means we can plug it right now.
There he is.
Hey, don't tell me.
Does he have a mustache?
It looks pretty small.
Oh, he's a little kitty cat. He's a kitty cat.
Yeah, it looks like a
He looks like he's an angel kitty cat.
it reminds me of Ginger.
There it is. So it's a little kitty cat angel. And he's holding a heart that says, I'll always love you. Look at that, how adorable.
Yeah, let's
So-
see what happens if I get him. See.
Oh my goodness. So we're gonna put these on the grass to see what they look like. Let's get them down real quick.
I can't get this one down. Get down, buddy. Get down.
All right.
Oh, man.
Are you pulling through here?
It's Ginger, dude. Woo.
All right, now this one. All right, he's out. All right, let me set these up and then I'll show you what they look like. All right, so here is what they look like. You can see this guy's about 4 feet tall. This guy's about 5 feet tall. He is really wide. I have some more Valentine's Day inflatables to unbox, so if you want to watch that, please push the subscribe button. You can see the back of this one. He has a long tail and some wings. And you can see the other guy, he's kind of like crawling on top of that heart. And he's also got some wings. This guy looks like he needs to be anchored. I hope he has an anchor. Yeah, he has one right there. I wish he had more than that. And of course, as always, we'll show you what these guys look like at night. Love, I'll always love you. Look at how his ear looks. It looks like, I don't know if it was sewn upside down. Look at that. It's like they used two left ears or right ears, depending what your position is. I guess it would be a left ear. They used the left ear twice and it's sewed on kind of weird. I love to get like inflatables that have some kind of defect. That's pretty funny. Let me know if you guys noticed it before, because I just noticed it now. This guy looks okay with his little heart nose and his little tongue. Alright, we're turning them on and it's nighttime. There's the kitty cat. And the heart bear. Alright. This guy's what? This guy's not done yet. He's still inflating.
Takes a while.
He's really big and wide. Okay, so this is what these guys look like fully inflated. You can see our little kitty cat. He will always love us. Very cute. You know, remind me like of an angel cat. Like some cat that died. So sad. Sorry. That's depressing. And then here is the little bear. You can get a better view here from the side. His big heart he's on, and there's his little booty there hanging off of the back of the heart, which is kind of funny because they could have just not made the bottom part. And then here's the back of the cat. Alright, so this is not exactly the spot they're going to be in for the display, but we have several more to add. Let us know what you guys think about these guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and bye.